Hello and welcome to my channel. If you're new, welcome. If you're not, welcome back. Either way, you are welcome. As you already know, if you're not new, I'm Crystal. I am Serum. I'm Crystal Serum. And today with me, I have...
Nana Kwame, but friends call me Jamrock.
Okay. Do you want to tell us the Jamrock story?
Yes, too long.
Oh, it's a short one.
Too long.
Okay, I'll tell it. I'll tell it.
Yeah.
Do I have your permission?
Yeah, you can go ahead.
Okay, so Jamrock and I, we met in secondary school in 2006. And I mean, from the first day of class, everybody was calling him Jamrock. Like, that's a strange name to have. Apparently, what was the song?
Welcome to Jamrock.
Welcome to the, yeah. So he sang, you know, when you go to secondary school and your seniors get you to fool and sing and everything. So that night, they asked Jamrock to come and sing a song, and he sang the song from A to Z. So that's how we baptized him and christened him Jamrock from 2006 up until now. Now we don't even know. I'm sure some people don't even know his real name, right? There's so many
people. A lot of people meet me and they're like, they find out that I'm Nana Kwame. They're like, I always thought you were Jamrock.
Yeah, because that's your name.
I mean, I don't fight it anymore, so
just accept it.
Yeah.
Okay, so today Jamrock is our model. He's our male model. Today's video is exciting. We're doing a skincare tutorial for men. I've had a few people request for this video, so long awaited, and we're finally having it. First of all, I have these two products from the Bodyshop. It's for men. It says the Bodyshop Gurana and Coffee energizing cleanser and moisturizer, both for men. And trust me, I wish I could use this myself. This smells so amazing. I was just having a chat with Jamrock and I was saying that it seems like all men's skincare
no, go ahead.
all skincare for men has scent, because you guys don't like washing your face, so they make it scented so you can be attracted to it and wash your face. And this smells so good. Do you want to smell it?
Yeah.
It
has a citrusy.
Yeah, I really like it.
Fragrance.
Like citrusy. So same for the lotion as well. And then we also have some stuff from Kiehl's. And I like this because it has exfoliating beads in it. So this is the oil eliminator. It's the deep cleansing exfoliating face wash for men. I don't know if you can see it from Kiehl's. And this has a nice texture to it. It has a nice rough consistency. So, and then we have this. This is all actually unisex. It's for ladies and for guys as well. It's the Kiehl's Ultra Facial Cream, but with sunscreen. Because I always try to encourage everybody to wear sunscreen, because sunscreen is important. And this is Ultra Facial Cream Sunscreen with SPF 30. Okay, so today Jamrock is my guest, so I'm going to be washing his face for him, you know, pampering him, doing everything for him. Yeah. So first we're wetting his face. I just wet this towel. Just want to wet your face, and then this amount of face wash, as much as you. Don't worry, I won't get it into your eyes.
Yeah.
Yes. So, just so you know, Jamrock has sensitive eyes, and we don't put anything close to his eyes. So, we'll try and make this.
It's not because my eyes are huge. It's
yeah, not because of that as well. Try not to get into your eye area. But yeah, I think I just have to stand in front. Can you see? Should have just said that. So you're just basically washing your face, guys. Because I don't understand. I've met so many guys who just say, "Oh, I don't do anything to my face." So get all the products off your face. So since you said it doesn't stink, is this something you'd like to try on your own?
Yeah, I guess.
You guess, right? And you stay dedicated to getting glowing skin.
Mm.
Oh, not really.
I don't know about all that glowing, but
yeah, but just
you know.
just wash it.
Yeah.
Just wash your face. Okay. So guys, because I went on with the Bodyshop cleanser, I'm going to use the moisturizer from Bodyshop. But I would advise that on any day, if you're going out into the sun, if it's during the day, I would advise that you get something with sunscreen. So here I showed you the Kiehl's Ultra Facial Cream with sunscreen. This doesn't have sunscreen, so if you're going to use this and you're going out during the day, you probably want to put on sunscreen. But since you're not someone who likes to do so much to your face, I think I'll just advise that you get a moisturizer that already has sunscreen. Okay, so before that, oh, I wanted to be a little extra today, so I brought a sheet mask. It's basically like a serum in the form of in the sheet. So you just put it on his face, you just put it on your face, and then leave it on for 15 minutes. But before you go on with the sheet mask, you have to put on a toner. So that's what I'm going to do now. This is my toner from Pixie, as their vitamin C toner. Clarifies the skin, and that's what you need. Just give it an extra glow. So, yeah. Jamok, I see you're enjoying this. Oh yeah, just smiling.
Yeah.
Smiling for the camera. Which one is it?
It's bled out and laughter. So.
What is it? So yeah. Yep. That's basically it. So on with the toner. And then this is a sheet mask from the Body Shop. It says the Body Shop Drops of Youth. It's a youth concentrate sheet mask. Really lovely. Just being extra. So at the end of the day, you just want to wash your face. You know, put a little toner on your face. And then put this mask on. Take care of yourself. Because skincare is self-care. Whether you're male or female. So this is how it looks. Ooh. It's wet with all the goodness from the serum. So
It was an actual face.
what you say? Yeah, it's an
There's a
actual
cut
face.
out of it.
Yeah.
It's funny.
You can just put it on and then, you know, sip your tea or do anything you want to do. Leave it on for 15 minutes. Yeah, but which one? So I think while we're waiting for this to set, it needs to be on for 15 minutes. While we're waiting for it to set, Chamak, you can tell us a bit about yourself. So what do you do? Are you dating? Are you seeing anyone? Should I call girls? Should I ask people to send in their comments and their phone numbers? Just tell us about yourself. On a regular day, what do you do for fun? Are you out in the sun a lot?
Well, during the week, for much of the week, I'm in the central business district, so I'm out in the sun quite a bit. So yeah, I mean, for fun, well, not so much outdoors, but yeah, sometimes I do go out, mostly at night. But yeah, during the day, I'm out in the sun quite a bit.
Okay,
Yeah.
so you definitely need to protect your skin. If you're like Jamrock and you're out in the sun a lot, you definitely need to protect your skin. Get some sunscreen, okay? And when you come back later in the day, wash your face, get rid of all of it, exfoliate, put on some serum, you know. Love your skin, love in your skin, make it feel good. So yeah, I guess that's it. Any fun story? Nothing. Anything? Any
My fun
funny-
stories are going to get me in trouble. So.
Anything you remember from Motown, from Avon?
Okay, well, I don't know how fun this is. So then there's this day, this like way back. I don't think I was a wild child, but I had more fun younger than as an adult. And so there was this party that I wanted to go for. I told my folks, and actually it was just my dad at home that day, and he was like, he agreed. So then it was like a night party, and he wasn't too thrilled about night parties. So then I told him that it was a bit earlier, around 4. So around 3:30 it starts to rain, and then he comes to ask me whether I'm still going. I'm like, yeah. He's like, what about the rain? I'm like, it will still come on. So So then around 4:30, then he starts to, you know, change his face, and then he's like, he doesn't get why I'm going for a night party. I'm like, I mean, we're not that young. We're 14.
Oh.
So I mean, right?
Quite
and
young
then
for a Ghanaian father, that's quite young.
Yeah, that's quite young. I mean, it is. If I was a guy, if I was a father myself, I don't think I'd be too thrilled about it.
Yeah.
But anyway, so yeah, so then I go for I mean, initially he's like, okay, now I'm not going anymore. I can't go on my own. Someone has to send me, like my older brother or something. And this is like a 5-minute drive from the house and like maybe a 10-15 minute walk. And
so were you going to walk by yourself?
Oh yeah, it was that determined. Right, so then.
Or were you going to see some girl waiting for you at the party or something?
You would want to know that too.
Yeah. Who was that?
And no one really.
Oh.
Another.
Are you going to see your bestie?
No, I don't think I knew him then. No, but yeah, it was just one of these parties, and then just wanted to go for. So then, what happened next? My dad got to the point where I was like, I'm not going, it's raining, no one is sending me, so I'm not going. So then I was stuck. Then my uncle came, thank God, and he came to drop something off. When he was leaving, I was like, can I go with you, or would he send me? And he was like, he's not even going that way and he doesn't have a car. So I was like, fine. So then he left, and it was still raining. So I just called out to my dad and I was like, Daddy, I'm going with Uncle Dada. I was like, where is he? Oh, he's waiting for me. So I'm rushing. So see you. So then I ran out and
in the rain.
Yeah, Uncle Dada had already left. So then I just found my way to the party, and it was quite fun. I mean, I came home after midnight and I was grounded for
life
for a bit, but I mean for as long as the next party. So,
so I guess you didn't do any more parties that year.
Well, I did one more that year.
Yeah, that was nice. It was nice.
He has a short memory.
Yeah.
I hope he doesn't see this.
I'm sure he won't. Okay, so after 15 minutes of waiting and banter, and if you're doing this on your own, you're probably I don't know, on your phone, scrolling through Instagram or something. We take this off, and this is all serum. So you want to massage it into your skin, just let it dry down a bit, and then we'll put some moisturizer on it. But even I can feel the goodness of my fingers. How does this feel?
Feels really good.
Feels really good, huh? Yeah.
But you're not supposed to wipe this off. No,
it just stays on your skin. You're not supposed to wipe it off. So give it a few seconds to just dry down. Once it dries down, we'll put a moisturizer, and then we're done. So it's not that difficult to take good care of your skin, guys. It's not that difficult. So start just these few steps. Get a cleanser, a serum. You can get a sheet mask if you don't want to do a serum. You can get a lot of sheet masks, use it, and then you can throw it away. And then a moisturizer. And that's it. It's just 3 major steps, and you're done. You're out feeling all fresh and nice and glowy. Yeah. So it's taking some time to dry. Do you want to say something?
I mean, you keep hammering on the glowy. I don't know if
guys
for most guys glowy is what they're looking for.
Okay. So what would it be?
But I
clean,
mean,
nice,
you'd want
skin.
to be, nice and clean.
Yeah. Let's say smooth. I think when I think of glowy skin or glowing skin, I'm just thinking about smooth, flawless skin. So let's just say smooth skin. Or guys don't want smooth skin.
I don't want to speak for all the men in the world, but yeah, smooth.
Not really.
Personally.
So what do you want? What do you want your skin to be like?
To be honest with you, I never give that. I've never thought about that, so it's hard for me to answer. But I mean, you'd want to have healthy skin. Yeah, so right? Healthy because it's important. Yeah. So you'd want to have healthy skin. Yeah. I don't think most guys bother about that. But the skin is, access to your body. Yeah. I mean, whatever is going to go into your body goes through your skin.
Yes.
Well, not everything, but some things. So I mean, whatever is important to, or whatever you need to keep your skin healthy, I think you should do that.
Yeah. So that's really what it is. Healthy skin, healthy and nice skin. So that's it. I think we're good. Moisturizer has seeped in. The serum has seeped in nicely. It's a bit much. So we're going to go over with the moisturizer. Took a bit too much. This looks so good. It's nice and blue. Because I guess a lot of guys like blue. What's your favorite color?
Myth.
Yeah, stereotype. A stereotype.
Yep.
But this is nice sea blue color. I like it. Making it all fun so you guys can actually use it. So yeah, that's it. Yep, so that's basically it. Okay, so that's basically it. We are done. The basic, simple steps for men's skincare. So Jamrock wants to tell us his take on this experience and generally on why he doesn't do all of this to his skin.
So then for me, it's about the time, because I don't see myself, waking up in the morning and within my routine making time to do, to apply stuff on my face, and so then that's the major thing. Well, I guess that's mostly it, but the time. Okay. And yeah, I guess that's what it is.
Okay, so you're saying time, but then I was saying, well, we're having a conversation off camera, and I was saying that once you start doing some stuff and you start seeing the positive effects it's having on you, I guess you're pushed to do it more. So you can just give it a shot, maybe a week or maybe 2 weeks of actually taking time to take care of your skin. And when you start seeing how clear your skin is looking, how healthy your skin is looking, then maybe you'd be more committed to carving out time to do it. I think it's the same with like working out. If you don't work out and you start working out, and you see the results, you're like, okay, I actually want to do more of this because it's actually good for me. So that's basically it. But yeah, so
I know how that's working for me, but
sure.
Really?
Yeah.
Nah.
So for the guys out there, if you stay till the end, I just want to encourage you to take good care of your skin. Make sure you get yourself on the healthy skin journey. I'll link every product below, and I'll also link where you can get it from. So in case you want to start out on getting clearer, healthy skin, you can start it out. So thank you so much for staying with me, and I hope to see you next time. Bye. But do you want to say bye bye to your fans, your new fans?
Well, I guess all I want to say is I'm still a real G after all this.
Your street cred is intact.
Yeah, I hope I don't lose any friends. No, but like seriously, this is a new experience, something different, and I mean, for my G's out there, I mean, I think you should give it a try. You might actually need it. So, yeah.
All right. Yay! Thank you so much for staying. See you next time. Bye.